sense. Humor is an emotional attribute. And humor on a fundamental level is the ability to evoke laughter. So it's more of an emotional attribute. So someone can evoke laughter or be funny or have an infatuation for humor without being interested in some comedian who is some prominent.
Is there a line, with these deep fakes?
No, I think comedies, in the field of comedy, it's so multifaceted. And as a comedian, you kind of have to, like how when I see you at the Hollywood Improv and you just come on stage and you would do you were just this peculiar act. You were this completely peculiar.
Isolates us from sound in two different perspectives. One, we are isolated in terms of the frequencies, the physics of frequency instrument. Like, let's say, a string or any object or any sound that is created from a force, an already established fundamental force. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting.